something that's causing trouble or harm that needs to be solved, like a fire, and the solution is how the problem is solved. So what do you think the problem was from Bonk? Someone raise their hand and tell me what the problem was. Felix?
His fur is too long.
His fur was too long. And if we wanted to add to that and write more details to the problem, how was his fur too long a problem? How was it causing him problems? Avera?
Because he couldn't see so well.
And what happened since he couldn't see so well?
He hurt himself on his bike.
On his bike? Let me,
Make it smaller.
how's that? Okay. Now this one says, it's kind of small, so I'll make it bigger. It says, facts from the text that contribute. Tell me in the story what happened what happened that helped him solve his problem? Why did he think, I need to do something about this hair? What happened?
Well, pretty much for a solution that he wanted to do.
Well, the solution's down here, but what happened for him to get to the solution?
Well, he first thought about other solutions.
What did he try to do?
A handstand and putting it his hair into different like little ponytails, like girls.
And now I need someone to tell me the actual solution. Avera just shared. Felix shared. Leo, what was the actual solution?
The actual solution is that he thinks about he can't do anything for his hair, so he went to the barber shop.
Very good. You guys are doing awesome. His fur was too long. He couldn't